Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to review the Minisopuru 13-in-1 display link docking station. So Minisopuru reached out to me. They did not pay me for this review, but they did send me this for free to try it out. So I decided to say yes to this because, I recently got a MacBook Pro here, a 14-inch MacBook Pro, and I usually run on a 3 multi-display setup for my desktop. Every now and then I like to connect my laptop. There are certain things sometimes I like to edit on it, so sometimes I like to connect it there, and this would come in handy, right? So I could connect more screens to this. So this is very well built. It looks very sturdy. It also has some rubber on the bottom, so it wouldn't really move on the table. The box doesn't bring much. It brings the power cable. Keep in mind that the power cable is only for a US plug, so you will need to use an adapter. That's something I don't really like, but that's how it is. It also brings, which seems to be a very good quality, USB-C to USB-C. It brings an adapter, a USB-A to USB-C, and it brings the software for the display link. So this display link works that when you connect either a Windows or a Mac, you will have to install the software so you can extend the software. So you can extend the functionality from USB to the displays. Because it's not connected directly to the machine, USB-C or Thunderbolt would need to expand it. For that you need that software. I actually just realized that my MacBook Pro, because it's the Pro version of the M1, only allows 2 external screens plus the screen on the laptop. So I can't really take the full functionality of this because I have 3 screens and I can't use 3 of them. Theoretically I can, but I have to use one of them being the screen. First world problems, right? But well, what can I do? If I had the Max version, that would work. I also have an older Dell laptop here. I also tried that one, but that one also supports only 2 external screens. So it is what it is. Unfortunately, I cannot use the full functionality of this, but it's still very useful for me. So things to have in mind to this is like you have 3 separations of HDMI, DisplayPort, HDMI and DisplayPort. These 2 are connected, meaning only one of them would work at once. So if you have, you would have to connect DisplayPort to DisplayPort and another HDMI to have the functionality of the 3 screens at once. You cannot use these ones together. You also have an RJ45 over here. So what you have to do as well is like you connect to the power, and then on this one here you have a 100 watts connection. So you connect your laptop power USB-C through here, and then the next USB-C connects to the laptop, and it will charge the laptop and will give power to the screens. Having a MacBook Pro, I cannot use the MagSafe because MagSafe doesn't transport data. So unfortunately that doesn't work. You have to use the USB-C. In the front of the device, we have 4 USB-As, 1 microphone. So you have the USB-C in the front as well, which you can connect, a hard drive or something like that. It's very, very fast. I've tried this one. The other ones I haven't tried as much. I don't really use USB-C much. But if you connect a mouse or an external keyboard, a wireless mouse or whatever to the SPA here in the front, it works. You also have the anti-lock system on the side here, which you can connect a Kensington if you wish to. Another thing I realized that you can do, you can use this for, it was not this intended purpose of it, but I used it in the other day because I'm a geek and it was pretty useful. So I wanted to connect my Steam Deck to the TV, but my Steam Deck only has one USB-C port, so I cannot charge it and connect it to the TV at the same time. So I was actually able to use this device connected to my Steam Deck, connecting to the TV and charging it while on the HDMI, so I could see it on the TV while it was charging, and then I connected an external controller to it and I was using it. This was not really the intensive purpose of this, but it works, and I'm sure some of you will have Steam Decks and you'll find that very useful as well to know. So if you have this, you can use it in both, or even if you want to use this and have your Steam Deck connected to your monitor, you can just connect it here and take advantage of the power and charge it while you are playing as well. So this is a small note I want to give for this and the Steam Deck. there is not a whole lot more I can talk about a docking station. There is just so much you can say about a docking station, right? So when you connect it to the Mac, both screens turn on immediately. Everything works fine. The same with the PC. You can extend it. You can do 4K 60 on 2 of them, and if you have 3 monitors, I think is 2 4K 60s and 1 4K 30, if that really matters to you. So that's the limitations of this, but being able to do output for 3 4K displays is quite powerful. I've used this for, I have it maybe for 2 to 3 months, but I had connected other laptops and I was using this with other laptops because the Mac only arrived recently, so I wasn't able to test it. So that's how I just found out that you cannot really have 3 displays. And actually before I was using only 2, and then I added the 3rd display recently. So I'm going to leave the link in the description down below for this device if you want to buy. I definitely recommend, if you're looking for a docking station that is not very big, it's portable, not very heavy, and it works well, works with Mac and Windows. I definitely recommend this. So I hope you guys liked it. I think that's everything for now. So don't forget to subscribe down below, and thank you for watching, and I see you in the next one. Bye bye.